Hi friends, this is Supal Rajwade and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. You know that practice makes a man perfect. So guys, if you want to become success in your life, then you have to do a lot of practice. Because without practice, you can't get success in your life. There is a saying: if you want to success, if you want to get success guys, then 100% you have to do practice, because without practice you can't get more success. So I would like to say that be consistent and do your best. Without consistency we are unable to do anything in our life, because everything in this world that for us to achieve, because जब हम किसी दिल को दिल से चाहते हैं तो पूरी कायनात उसे मिलाने में हमारी मदद करती है, और अगर हम सचमुच उसे दिल से चाहें तो 100% उसे हम पा सकते हैं, क्योंकि आप जानते हैं कि किसी भी चीज़ का शॉर्टकट नहीं होता, और अगर आप उसे तुरंत पा लेना चाहेंगे तो मुमकिन नहीं है, क्योंकि किसी नामुमकिन चीज़ को मुमकिन बनाने के लिए एक चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है, जिसे कहते हैं निरंतरता। अगर आप निरंतरता किसी काम में लाते हैं तो 100% वो काम होकर ही रहेगा, क्योंकि निरंतरता के बगैर आप उस चीज़ को नहीं पा सकते जिस चीज़ को आप पाना चाहते हैं। हमारे भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति ने कहा है, it is saying by our former president, a missile man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, that if you shine like the sun, then you have to burn like the sun. अगर आप सूरज की तरह जलना चाहते हैं तो आपको बनना चाहते हैं, जलना चाहते हैं, चमकना चाहते हैं, सॉरी, अगर आप सूरज की तरह चमकना चाहते हैं तो आपको सूरज की तरह जलना सीखना होगा। Another saying is the legend actor Shah Rukh Khan sir. He said that if you want to something with all your heart, then all universe conspire to get it to you. I mean to say, अगर आप किसी चीज़ को शिद्दत से चाहते हैं तो पूरी कायनात उसको मिलाने में आपकी मदद करती है। So guys, 101% you have to do it, because without saying you can't get success in your life. So guys, this is my personal experience. I hope all of you like it. And another saying is, you know that I am a government teacher, or you will say I am a government English teacher, and I can't express myself to in English, then this is not justify for me. So guys, in government schools children are only taught to read and write, they are not taught to speak English. But I believe that children should be speak English along with reading and writing. Without this, we can't get more success in our life. And you know that teaching is a best profession, and teachers are the backbone of our society. So guys, if you want to success in your life, then you have to do more practice in your life, because without practice we can't get success, you and me. So this is my opinion. I hope all of you like it. If you like it, then please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, and share it with your phone, friends and relatives. So thank you very much. Have a good day. Till then, take care. Bye.